happened?
I'm gonna take it, bro.
You are?
I don't know yet. We'll see.
Man.
Hope that don't.
Yeah, I'll just take his car and then you could go.
Alright, let's do it.
Alright, sorry about that.
It's alright. Go with the fucking gang, bro. We about to get this shit. You know.
Alright, what day is it? Go, go, Bert!
Go, 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 go.
How does it base voices?
Dude, what up?
Dude?
What up, guys? How is it so far?
Hey man, I mean, I just pulled up and it looks fucking lit as fuck.
Yeah. Alright, there's a cop over. I want to see his thoughts and stuff, but yeah. 1 second. Yeah, take your time.
No, nothing is wrong.
Okay.
We're here to make sure that everybody's safe.
Okay.
And that the congregation here, everything stays calm, cool, collected. When big parties like this come into our city, we just want to be aware of what's going on, making sure nobody gets hurt. That's our goal. So you're right. Nothing wrong.
Okay. Sweet. Yeah, we're just grabbing some Athers ice creams and just hanging around and stuff. So
Sounds good. Where are you guys from?
everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Are you all?
It's like a last minute thing, kind of. So.
Okay. All from like Southern California, or?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Just getting some ice cream and stuff. So.
Yeah. No. I mean, we get calls all the time. Hey, this is what's going on. Our goal is to make sure, like you just said, make sure nobody's doing anything illegal. So far, I haven't seen anything like that. So, yeah. What's your name?
Moises.
Moises?
Yeah.
All right, Moises. Well, you stay safe.
All right, I'll let them know too, like not to do anything stupid and stuff. So.
Hey, that'll be good.
All right, appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Have a good one. So he said we're definitely chill here, just don't do anything stupid.
Dude, I seen him hit that dip. I was just like, ah, like, dude, there's really no explanation on that. You just can't make you just have no words. It's just a sound. You're just like, you know, it just hurts.
This meet is so fun. I'm so excited to see all of the cars that showed up, and especially the bad cars, the luxury cars, supercars, the racers. We appreciate all of you cars here.
Yeah, it's super fun. Everybody should come out here, and like everybody just kicks it and super chill. So come out.
Hey, what's up? It's Casey. I drive at Evo 10, and I don't know. It was a pretty quick meet, like how much time they gave us. So I just like the outcome. It's pretty sick.
Nice. Can you tell me a little about your flip flops?
Rip and dip.
Rip and Dip. So if Rip and Dip's watching this, sponsor Casey.
Yes, please.
Did you just get here, man?
Yeah, I just got here.
What up, dude?
What's up, man? Pretty big. Yeah. Drove like almost 2 hours.
You drove 2 hours for this.
Yeah, him, me, and him.
Dang, dude. Props. Just as big as your wig. Okay, so you drove 2 hours to get here. What are your thoughts so far?
I mean, that's already burnt, but I mean, that's cool, you know. A lot of cool cars, pretty chill event, a lot of people. At least people aren't doing ricer shit, so it's pretty chill.
Ew, nice.
Yeah.
You want to tell me a little bit about your GTR?
Well, fuck, dude, it's so dirty right now, but
hey, the camera will do its magic.
yeah. So, I mean, it's not stock. Pretty much, I got a Varus rear bumper. I got top secret carbon fiber shit. Top secret front bumper. If you want to look over here, pretty much this whole middle section right here.
Yeah.
This is all carbon fiber. All the way around here. Varus carbon fiber head. Here, I'll open the
No, finally somebody opens it. Nobody here opened it yet. So
right.
you're the first one.
Alright.
Nice.
Because I mean, I have like.
Let's see it.
I mean, super stock.
Oh, that's definitely stock. Officer, it came out from the warehouse just like that.
So I mean, that's a full titanium intake manifold. I got the full titanium exhaust tube. Pretty much. I mean, let's just say like around 700 to the wheels.
Yeah, my Prius is like that too.
Yeah.
Dang, this thing's nutty.
Other than that, man, it's cool. It's chill.
Nice, man. Thanks for sharing. Definitely.
Yeah. Oh, wheels. SSRs. Yeah, they're super dirty because we're like fucking driving and braking and shit.
Yeah.
But
was your name?
Benny.
Benny.
Yeah.
Benny, nice to meet you.
Nice to
Thank
meet
you.
you too, bro.
Thanks for sharing.
Honestly, we were just having dinner.
Oh, you guys were okay. All right, so you guys were having dinner, and then you guys came out. And what were your first thoughts?
Crazy.
It was cool. Awesome.
There you go, kids.
Did you guys at least? Did you?
I saw a pink car and I saw a really green car.
Nice. That's awesome, guys. Oh, what was your favorite car here?
Probably the one with the green lights under it.
Oh, your fucking content is so fucking dope, bro.
Appreciate it,
I
man.
swear this is the fucking best. How the hell do you do all of this, bro?
Dude, thank you, dude.
Damn.
Made my day. All right, what was
put
your
in work,
name?
bro.
Thank you. What was your name? And then what do you like about this meet?
Everything, man. And the fact that you're here, me doing this meet, that means whoever did this, it's doing good.
Doing good.
Yeah.
Awesome. Do you want to give a shout out to anybody?
Nah, just you giving out good content.
Hey, thanks, brother.
Shit's lit. Where's the Thursday meet at? Where's the original at?
Yeah, where's Origin? Where's Origin Kazuku? All right, what do you have to say to Chris?
Chris, thanks for the decal, dog. We waited like 3 hours for it, but yeah. Long time supporter, bro. Long time supporter. Yeah, right. Day one nigga. I was throwing meets with him before he even started meets. Yeah, I know. I was there too. That's when I raced you.
Awesome, guys. Thank you.
I feel so nervous when you come around, bro. Dude, he's like, I'm like, I feel nervous when you come around. He goes like this. He goes, haha, why?
Thank you, guys. Dude, I love those guys. I met them at Origin Kazoku meet. 10 out of 10. Oh, blam up. Hey, thank you. Whoa! Low-key thought I was gonna die.
This is gonna come out May 20th, bro. Beach meet, bro. This is gonna
Beach
pull up.
meet. Are you ready for the beach meet? Are you ready for the beach meet?
Beach meet, that's right.
Yeah.
Round 4.
Let's go.
Fifth?
Man.
We lost count too.
Some milk teas, I got some lemonades. Come on through. I'm about to put out the selection right now.
Ooh. You don't mess around, do you?
Oh, not at all, brother. No time to waste.
Exactly. Thank you.
Thank you.
cops should leave it the fuck alone so it can keep happening.
True. It's chill. It's how it used to like started.
And nobody would know how cool these things are if it wasn't for you videotaping us right now. So these things are fucking cool. Keep coming to